This is my base Clash of Clans hack account. It's good, but a bit rust. Oh yeah, it's a bit rust base. No, however, it's good. See my clan, YouTube channel. Wow. I'm going to train some troops. It's already trained, and now I'm going to attack. Oh, great. Loot is good, so I'm going to attack this. Okay, this is the way you should attack. And now and here whoa, my miners are doing a great job. Let me see. Great. What a great attack. Wow, I got nice loot. Whoa, 58 trophies. See, I'm 120. I'm 120. Sneaker gamer left. Oh no. Okay, this is the thing I wanted to record. And friends, this is the way you should attack. And now I will show you what to train. Like, you should train miners to have great attack. All we have 240 space. Train everything as miner. And there comes 48 miners. Boost it. Now I'm going to show you how miners usually attack. Okay, I want a nice base. This is a difficult one. Okay, let us see how it will attack. This is a great thing which miners can do. Oh, lots of miners. Okay, a bit slow. And here it comes. Wow, great. Of course, my miners are good. They are max level. Oh, everyone's doing a great job. And look at them, my miners. Whoa, that's a great attack. And I'm going to win this. Oh no, my Grand Warden, it's gone. Okay, let's see my miners. They're doing a great job. Whoa, see this attack. Whoa, they are great. What a loot. Just it. Whoa. And they are gone maybe. Nope. Wow. That's a great thing. Shit. Wow. They're doing a great job. And there goes my miners to the cannon. And oh, they are gone. Oh, I got nice dark elixir. Yep, and that's all. Thank you guys for watching, and that's